A task force has been set up after 3 cases of coronavirus were confirmed from Kerala today. The Health Ministry said that we now have 3 confirmed cases of the deadly virus that has claimed over 360 people in China. A third patient is under treatment in Kazangat District Hospital in Kasaragod, a media report said. In a bizarre incident, a massive fire broke out on the Burhi Dihing rivers in Assam's Dibrugarh district, allegedly due to an oil pipeline blast. The fire has not been doused yet. As per reports, a fire took place on Burhi Dihing river at Digholibil area near Sasoni village of Nahar Katia in Dibrugarh district due to alleged oil pipeline blast. Under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, the Northeastern National Service Scheme NSS Festival 2020 was opened by Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University today. As a part of the ongoing protest by the Federation of Government College Teachers Association FEGOCTA demanding 7th pay, college teachers today began to boycott classes. Teachers of Lamka College, Chuchampur district also staged a sit-in protest on the college campus today in support of the protest by FEGOCTA. Thaunaujam Niranjoy broke the world record of 1 knuckle push-ups in 1 minute alternating arms male. Niranjoy achieved the feat by breaking the previous world record by Luis Vargas of United States, who performed 53 push-ups in 2017. Niranjoy performed 67 one-arm knuckle push-ups in a minute. A team of Moray immigration officials and Moray police arrested 2 Nepali women who were trying to enter Myanmar illegally yesterday. The 2 possessed passports with forged signature. They were trying to enter Myanmar with the forged signature passports of Len Checkpost, Moray India Immigration Department. 1 person died in a road incident that took place last night at Yaripok Vishnu Naha Mayai Lairak of Thawal district. Reportedly, the fatal incident took place when a Maruti 800 car, which the deceased was travelling, had a head-on-head collision with an Alto car. The deceased has been identified as Samurai Latpam Sanatomba Sarma, age 55 years, son of late Kulachandra of Yaripok Vishnu Naha Mayai Lekai. 9th Community Development Program Annual Day Celebration 2020 was held at Nungai Chiru Community Hall today. The program was organized by Community Development Program Bishnupur Cluster Manipur Zone under the supervision of Assam Nagaland Manipur Arunachal Integrated Development Association Dimapur Nagaland. The 50-bedded Jiribam District Hospital is now in a pathetic condition due to negligence. The concerned authorities have ignored the repeated requests by the civil society organizations to look into the condition of the Lawn Hospital. General Secretary of All Jiribam United Clubs Association N. Dharmendra Mitei said that the people of Jiribam has been facing discrimination for a long time. He called on the concerned authority to look into the matter at the earliest. A one-day religious meet on Islam was held at Sonapur Darul Ulam Madrasa in Jiribam yesterday. Principal of Darul Ulam Sonapur Madrasa, Maulana Abdul Jalil, and several others attended the meet. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe today said that the government will keep in close touch with all relevant groups to ensure a virus outbreak does not have effect on the Summer Olympics. According to media reports, Olympics Minister Seiko Hashimoto said organizers are now considering cancelling the Olympics, which start on July 24.